Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Once we used to install operating system using CDs and DVDs. That is gone. Now it's time to use USB disk, not disk, sorry, USB. And in this video I will teach you how to boot and install operating system in a laptop. And the laptop that I am using is N series of Dell, and the name and the model of this laptop is Dell Inspiration. This is and Dell Inspiration N4050. So let's start. First of all, press not the press before pressing. Let me tell, this is the USB, and I am using a 32 GB USB, and I have already uploaded a video on my channel to show you how to make a USB bootable. Link is in description. You can check that one from there also. Let me plug in the USB with laptop. So here it is. I have plugged the USB and pressing the power button. After pressing the power button, press F12 key. It is showing and options will come in front of you. The options are hard drive, USB drive, device, and from down arrow key, this is the down arrow key. Down arrow key, press the down arrow key and hit the enter key. System will search for a booting file. Here it is, and system has started to boot from USB drive. After some processing, this screen will appear in front of you. You just simply click on next button, and in next screen press install now. System will take some time, and remember, the speed will depend upon your USB and also on your system. Mostly people use 2.0 USB, and the speed of that USB is so slow. And next, it is showing you different operating system, and Windows Ultimate, Windows 7 Ultimate, and XYZ, whatever it is. Remember the 36, where is 86? Not 36, is 86. It is 32-bit operating system, and this is 64-bit operating system. You can install operating system according to your processor. Here I will use Windows 7 Ultimate, and Windows 7 Ultimate I will select it via these arrow keys and hit the next button. After hitting the next, this message will appear in front of you, the screen. Just go here and click I accept. This is checkbox, and then click on next. This is the next button. In next window, it is asking you which type of installation do you want, upgrade or custom installation. Upgrade, I will not recommend you to upgrade it. Just click on custom. Second one is option, and here it is asking for the drive partition, and here we will learn how to create a partition. So first of all, select any device or any portion and click on delete, and message will appear. Click yes. Now on second one, select and delete and OK. And the next one, this is partition, and set delete and OK. Now total we have 300 GB space, and for creating a new partition, just click on new button, and here it is asking for its capacity. I will use 50,000, that is approximate 48 GB. Click on OK. Taking some time. Here it is, partition has been created and second partition selected. It is up to you, click on new or just again here you can change the size. I am satisfied with this size and I just want to create reserved space that is created by system. Now next step, remember I will explain you again, this 500 MB is system reserved space that is automatically created by the system, and it happens normal, it is normal, no problem, just leave it and just click on drive you want to install the operating system. Normally we install operating system in the C drive, that is drive 2 here, because drive 1 is the portion that is automatically created by the system. And select it, click on format, because you format is according to you, or press next button, but I will prefer to click on format button and message will appear that it will erase all the data. Say yes, and this is another drive. You can just partition was not created, click on new, click apply, and you can format it here, and you can also format it from Windows. I will format this drive from after installation the window, so that we can learn another way to format a drive. At the moment we are installing our Windows in drive 1 or drive C. So select the drive and click on next button. Here it is, this is the main process and it will take some time, approximate 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the speed of USB and the speed of your system. And it will go to percentage time is has been started, and just it is 1% and it will go to 100%. Remember, during this process your laptop might start several times, but you don't need to press any kind of key. It is automatic process and it will continue until the Windows is installed. uh, Here I am going to pause the video so to save the time. It's not a difficult task. Usually people go to a laptop shop or somewhere and pay amount. You can do this simply at your own home. The system will restart. Here no need to press any kind of key now, no F12, no F2, nothing. This process is automatic. And remember, system might be screen might flicker during this installation. Let's change the view, how it looks. The red color and moving on. This process after first time rebooting can take 3 to 5 or 7 to 8 minutes. So you have to wait as it is normal. Now system setup will continue after restarting. Second time system is restarted. Here it is. After second time restarted, this message appeared as battery was low. I have plugged the AC power adapter and simply press F1. For you, if battery is fine, nothing will happen. I am showing you this message, sometime it happens. Just press. So finally we almost in the ending of this process. This is the Dell. Just type, sorry, let me give it close up. Type username and then the password. Here I will type the password, the name as It is MANIITSPOT. This is your username. Little bit flicky screen, and just say the next. Click on next button. Asking for password. It is up to you if you want to give the password or not. So welcome. It is saying welcome. This is welcome. First time in the Windows. So finally we have installed the operating system in our laptop using USB stick, and just click on the start button and see the logo. That's it. This was today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and you have learned something. Please share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, as I upload different videos related to technology. So stay blessed, keep loving, keep spreading the peace, keep spreading the love. Goodbye. See you in next video.